Hello, welcome to Quick Tech Tips from SMARTSolution Technologies. This quick tech tip today is going to go through showing you how to make electronic popsicle sticks using the Smart Notebook software. A lot of teachers will use popsicle sticks and write their students' names on them. They'll pull popsicle sticks and make that a way of randomly selecting students to answer questions or be volunteers. With Smart Notebook software, you can actually create your own popsicle sticks. Two of my favorites are the random word chooser and the random image chooser. So what we can do, if I add a fresh page here, I'm going to take out the random word chooser and show you how to get that all set up with your students' names on it. If you come over here to your gallery tab, the one that looks like a painting, go to the Lesson Activity Toolkit 2.0. It's down here under Interactive and Multimedia. Now you can see there's lots and lots of things under here. We can actually take it a step further and look for under the Lesson Activity Toolkit, we can look under Tools. So we look under Tools, we see there are 37 different items. I happen to know it's called the Random Word Chooser, so I'm just going to scroll down here until I see Random Word Chooser, drag it out onto my screen, and I'll get to resize it so that it's the size that I'd like it to be. Alright, so I resize it, and now all I need to do is type right in here, just double click, or double click if there's text in there to highlight, otherwise just click. And now I can go ahead and type. I like to use the tab key to go to the next word. Anything that I want. Now, I have the option of leaving it as up to 36 students, or I can take it all the way down to 1. We'll leave it at about 21 students. And you also have a few other options here. You have your no repeat option. So if I click no repeat and then I click select, one of those students will be selected and that will stay highlighted so that student won't be selected again. If you uncheck no repeat, there is no way of telling who was already selected and everybody is able to be selected again. You can always click reset and that will put you back to the beginning as well. So that's your random word chooser. If I add another page here, I'm going to show you the random image chooser. Now this time I'm going to do a search. So if I go back to the beginning, to the lesson activity toolkit, I'm just going to type in random. Then I'm going to click on the magnifying glass to do my search. And now I can see there are 33 things that say random. So let me scroll down and there's the random image chooser. All right, so I drag this out. Now the random image chooser is nice because you're not putting text in there, you're actually putting pictures. These can be pictures that you've taken with a digital camera and that you have scanned in, or pictures you have scanned into your computer. They can be pictures that you have taken from the internet, or they can be things from the gallery. I'm just going to do a search for people, and I'm just going to pull in pictures of people that happen to be in the gallery. So here's my class list: Abraham Lincoln, Andrew Jackson, Andrew Johnson, a baker. And we'll scroll down a little bit. We have a prince. Now we can also once again pull it down so we have fewer images, just 5 images. Select them. And it works the same way as the random word chooser, but we have a picture instead. This is a great popsicle sticks activity for little ones who don't know how to read each other's names yet. Now there are also things that look similar. We have the random group generator, which looks just like the random word generator, but this time we have groups. So I already have a class list in here, and of course you don't have to fill that. But here we get to choose how many groups we want. We can have, with our 36 different words, we can have up to 18 groups. So we'll go ahead and put it on 6 groups. We click generate, and all of a sudden it has randomly grouped all of those students. So if this is not a good way to do it, we can regroup them. And now we've got a different group. Here we have that we can inject all the groups by pressing this arrow. And now all the groups have come out as separate objects. So we can drag these onto their own separate page. or whichever way you want to work with your students there. But you can see each group is now very well organized into their own group. Same thing with the random image generator. Here's a big old class. We can decide how many images we want. We happen to have 36. We'll put them into, we'll do 3 groups. Go ahead and generate them. And now everybody's got a number next to their name. Maybe for this one we only want to look at group 1. So we'll say inject group 1, click the arrow, and here are all the students who are a part of group 1. Their images have just popped right out here. So that is our popsicle sticks. If you have any questions at all, you can email us at training@smarterguys.com. Thanks for watching our quick tech tip, and check back for some more later.